Ever wished you could turn those boring text-heavy documents into vibrant, engaging visuals in just few clicks? Well, now you can with Napkin AI. And guess what? You can actually try the Pro plan for free while it's still in beta. Awesome, right? So let me walk you through the process of using Napkin AI. It's super easy to get started. All you need to do is hit the Get Napkin Free button and create a free account just like you would on any other website. If you already have a document you want to visualize, you can select the by pasting my text content option. But if you don't, no worries. Just click the by generating text using AI option. You type in the topic and Napkin AI will generate the text content for you. Once you have your content, you can easily turn it into visuals. Just click on the blue generate visual button and you will get a whole list of visuals to choose from. You can keep generating visuals for different part of your project by simply clicking on the blue lightning icon. From there, choose the style you like the best. You can even download the visuals you have created by clicking on this download icon and selecting the preferred format and color mode. You can also tweak the background color, aspect ratio and style directly from here. Pretty neat, right? Down below you can find some additional options. If you want to upload an image, just click the image option. Resize them and even add a frame. For those of you who love adding a creative touch, you can use the sketch feature to draw lines or arrows. You can also customize curves by clicking on them. You can add labels just like text boxes in PowerPoint. Use the Spark search option to add even more variety to your project. Napkin AI is also perfect for collaboration. You will find a comment feature on the right side of your screen where you can highlight specific portions of your project and add notes for yourself or your team. It's a great way to keep track of ideas, feedbacks, or suggestions. Here you can adjust overall style of your project. You can use Share to collaborate with your team, and you will find all your project, they call it napkins, in the library section. So I think I have covered pretty much everything about it. If you want to learn more, definitely check out their YouTube channel for tutorials and updates. I have linked it in the description below. I highly recommend giving Napkin AI a try, and I'm sure you will be amazed at how easy and fun it is to create stunning visuals in just few clicks. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.